Okay, today we're doing, we're gonna try to modify this welding helmet to put a tactical light on there. So when you're in some dark areas, it just, make it a little easier. So we ordered this little bracket off of Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description. But it's just this little tactical bracket that you can get off Amazon. And then I use a pistol flashlight that I got off Amazon. And so we're gonna try to bolt this to the side of the helmet so that way I can get some better lighting. All right. So first I'm gonna put the helmet on, and then it'll be a little easier if you have an assistant to help you do this. And we're using 2 pieces of tape to try to get it lined up so that way when I drill this out, it'll be perfectly lined up. So put the helmet on, and then mount the light on the bracket so that way you can kind of know exactly the position where you kind of want it when you're looking through the helmet. So I think right there will be good. Does it need to go back a little further?
I think you could maybe come down a little bit.
Down?
Yeah.
Like, is it like on a flat? Try to make it on the flattest spot on your helmet too. It'll probably make it sit a little better. Right there?
I think so.
Yeah, I think that's good right there on my end. You got it nice and straight?
I believe so.
All right. So it should be. I think that, let me see here, let me try to. Yeah, I think that'll be perfect. And here's a little close-up what we did. We put the tape in front of the bracket and then alongside the bracket, so that way we can pop this off. And then we have some reference point. So when we drill that out, and it'll sit on there on the side, and that way I can dismount the light if I need to. And make sure you look on the inside of your helmet. Make sure you're not going to drill into anything important in there. Here, can you hold that helmet there? Need to, can you put that flat spot? It might be easier if I do it.
There's a piece of plastic.
And then at least once you get one bolt in there, get it kind of snug. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back on, and then that way it still can move freely, but it still has some resistance there. And then I'm gonna put this light back on just to double check to make sure I have this where I really want this. Because right now I can really fine tune this. And I think right there in the middle, yeah. And it's really close to where she put the tape at. So, but you always want to double and triple check your work just to make sure. These brackets are pretty cheap on Amazon. You can get different lengths. And it doesn't look too bad on there, but there it is. And it's pretty simple to do, and may help you whenever you're in some bad lighting. But just a little trick, and looks pretty cool on the side of that thing. And just a real quick modification you can do to your welding helmet. And that's perfect. There you go.